Y'all ain't ready for her, baby. Her name is Davisa, and this is synthetic hair. Are you listening to me right now? It feels very coarse, like canicolon coarse, but like across, like afro. You know, like when you have those afro virgin hairs, that's what it feels like. It's not, you see how it looks, we're going pink ear, but see how it looks like silky? It doesn't feel like this. It feels coarse, but look at how good it looks. Now, I have been wearing this wig, and I must say I do get some tangles right in the back here. I do. It does tangle up, but once I brush this out, it is smooth as butter, honey. Smooth as butter. Now, the density goes all the way to the tip. That's what I love about this wig. It's very full. It says it can curl, but I have not curled it. I have not straightened it. No heat has gone on this hair, and I store it in the bag, in the net. So I put it in the net, the hair net, then put it in the bag that the hair came in. And let me tell you, I have been wearing this hair. I love the color on my skin. I love how it looks. That viewfinder is gonna smack me across my face because I keep looking at it. But I love Davisa. Her name is Davisa. And due to all the virtuous because I go R and I see maybe your ear, I'm gonna start calling him she and him and they and the were. Look, it's so pretty. It is two-toned and gorgeous. Loving it. It stays straight, even though when I store it, it has like a side curve. I just like shake it and it just comes back straight. Listen, I mean, I don't know what Diva Tress is doing over there with their wigs, but Davisa is bae. Davisa is bae. You see, this is where I become monotonous because I'm trying to find out like one bad thing. Like, okay, what bad can I say about the hair? But there isn't another thing bad I can say. It's just the tangling that I get, which is expected with synthetic hair. That's just one. Two, I feel like I'm repeating myself because no hair I've gotten from Diva Tress so far is crappy. You understand? And it's not even like virgin hair or raw hair. It's just hair, like synthetic hair, synthetic beautiful hair, affordable. And they keep on having sales. Subscribe to the newsletter because they keep on having sales. Oh my gosh. So I do get shedding with this hair as well. Look at my big hair though. So I do get shedding with this hair. I can't lie to you and say I don't get no shedding. I do get shedding. I'm running my fingers through it. I am getting strands, and I've been getting strands since I've been running my finger through it. So I do have shedding, but I am not mad at it at all. I mean, it's affordable. It's good hair. It's just the shedding and the tangling at the back hair. Is the shedding horrible? I don't know how to answer that because I'm very accustomed to virgin hair. I'm not really accustomed to hair. Like I look down and I see hairs. I don't know if I should say, I don't know if that's the case with all synthetic hairs, you know what I mean? But I can look down and I see like hair, you know what I mean? So that I don't like. That's the only thing I'll say. I don't like that. I don't like looking down and say, oh crap, there's hair. I don't like it. I prefer not to see any hair. What's this? I prefer not to see any hair. I prefer all the hair to stay on the cap, on the weft, on the wig, and not on my clothes. Or if I walk and I feel something rubbing on my hand and it's hair and it's not hair attached, it's just hair that has probably broken off or whatever. Looking down after doing a lot of finger combing for this video, it's not a lot of hair. I'm seeing 3 strands, so it's not a lot of hair, but there is shedding. I'm tangling at the back. What else? I think those 3 things. I think those 3 things, but I guess that's it. Shedding, tangling right here at the back. Yeah. But if you want to give Davisa a try, I mean, she's affordable. Why the hell not, boo-boo? Why not give her a try and give her a gown? Gown now, you gonna buy Davisa. Okay. Diva Tress wigs, thank you so much for sending me here to review. I love it. Your thing turned, your thing lit. I love it. I love me some Davisa, and I'm trying very hard not to wear this hair often, but I know I like to wear the other hairs, like give it a thorough review or whatever. But you know, Jesus, Jonathan, come here. You scared me. Can I get a kiss? Tell him bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye guys.